And now I went over the house. It's done. So this will be a three-parter. Sorry, part two ended such quickly. So quickly. There she is.
We have
Super
just a
food.
couple left.
Okay, let's see if this one works. Tarantulas. Here's what I get. Here she was kind of a little brighter out. Try again. Ah! Last big rocket. Let's hope this one's good. Then we have little stuff left. I think we still have a fountain. I know we still have a fountain. Yes, I lighted it. I thought I was going to go up for a second. No, I'm done lighting.
Little tiny ones.
So back to the little guys. Ducklings. I wonder what to fill the tarantulas. Whoa. Still going that way. I should move over. Another car. Even another car. Cars. Oh, that one was kind of high. Poppy. So black. Ooh, this light. Oh, huh. Street time. Wax. Back to wax. Wax. That wasn't too exciting. Still love the wax. Still lots of wax. I wasn't recording. But that was a good one. The one you just missed, that was a good one. Or did you miss it? I just pressed it. I don't know. Hope you saw the last one. It was good. It's actually pretty loud. So, oh, yeah. The last one, that was exact. This one, that was exactly like the last one. So yeah, so you know what it looked like. Lots of rocks and sticks on the road. Lots of rocks and sticks on the road. Lots of rocks and sticks on the road. That's sticking over there too. These are good ones. Fireworks bring many dangers. Do not do do not do it if you're a child and you're unsupervised. Why am I telling you this? I'm a child too. Ooh, that one was sparkly. One more for the nighttime. Ooh, good fountain. Ooh, pretty. It's called Big Snow, I think. And that was it. Wait for part 4 tomorrow morning. Since we have one more thing left, it's smoke. Our first 4. It's gonna be really short, since we're only doing one thing. It's smoke.
Here. Stop.
No.